How would I say this sentence in Irish? You would easily see us. Firstly, what type of tense or sentence am I dealing with here? Well, it's conditional. I have would there in English. That means it's going to be conditional or mochanílach in Irish. So what do? I need to identify the verb. It's going to be feck as the root. Be careful, it's not feoch, because that would be watch or look. So feck is the root, but then what do I do to put it into the conditional? Well, my golden rule with conditional is start modification, end modification. Change one thing at the start and one thing at the end. The one thing at the start is normally going to be a D apostrophe if it begins at a vowel, or if it begins at pretty much anything else that can take a H, it will just take a H. However, F is the only letter that will take both of them, the exact same as the past tense, where you might have dog may for I left. Therefore, start modification, it becomes Jack, and I need to put on my ending, in this case, second person conditional, so I put on the fa ending. Jack fa for you would see. After that, there's not too much to do, really. We know éasca is easy, so how do I turn something into easily, into an adverb? Normally that ly in English, it's just a g in Irish. So anything like basically, let's say, turns from bunasuk for basic to go bunasuk basically. In this case, éasca to gahéasca, just putting an H there at the start of éasca to block the vowels. And then us is just going to be muj. But one more important thing here, guys, is the order. A lot of people will say Jack fa muj gahéasca, because that's closer to the order in English. But while that's not wrong, it is more fluent to generally put those floating pronouns or object pronouns, whatever you want to say, towards the end. Think of a simple example. I will see you soon. Instead of saying fechime hu galua, we want to say fechime galua hu and put that floating pronoun towards the end. So you would easily see us in the end is going to be Jack fa gahéasca muj.